If you are putting on lashes right now, stop what you're doing. I have a #1 tip that is gonna totally change your lash game and make it so much easier to apply lashes. My #1 tip for applying magnetic lashes is to put on an eyeliner first. I like to use a gel eyeliner, but you could use a pencil, whatever is your preference. Line your eye from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. It doesn't have to be like really thick or anything. It's just gonna basically hide any imperfections of your liquid liner. Any like wiggly bits where you won't even see because it's gonna be totally hidden. So I'm using a gel liner from MAC. I love this. It's really creamy. It goes so smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. So once I have my liner in place, I'm ready to go in with my liquid liner. What I like to do is I have my little mirror here, you can see it, but I like to go in real close and draw it again from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, put on 2 coats. It's usually about a minute in between each coat, 30 seconds to a minute or so. But as you can see, I'm just drawing it directly over my existing eyeliner, and it helps me just to stay inside the lines. I'll go in for my second coat. So I've got my magnetic liner in place, and my next step is put on my lashes. And if there's any imperfections, like I can see like a little bit that's kind of going up here, after I put on my lashes, I'll go ahead and fix that up with little powder. But I like to put on my lashes first because sometimes just the way my eyelids are, it could correct itself. So now that they're in place, I'll just go ahead and kind of fluff them up before I press them down. Make sure that they're at the right position that I like them. I personally like them to kind of lay a little bit flatter. They have a little bit of curl, but this way I can wear a longer lash without it like touching my eyebrows, because that kind of drives me crazy. So now my lashes are on, and if there's any imperfections that you see at this point that are kind of bothering you, like I can see just a little bit extra in the inner corner, you can smooth it out with a little bit of eyeshadow powder. So I'm using like a smoky color, not a jet black, because I just want it to kind of blend real nicely and to kind of smudge it out. So I'm gonna just kind of blend it out there, kind of dab it on. And kind of smooth it out along the way, kind of smooth out that line. And to me, I like that look much better. It's nice and smoky, just smoothed out. I don't have to worry about any little squiggly lines, because like I said, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I need it to look perfect. So let me see this side. This side actually I did a lot better on. I feel like it turned out really smooth, but I'll dab it across anyways, just to kind of smooth out any bits. So if you have to do a little bit of touch up after the fact, that is it. So I hope you like this tip. Let me know if this is helpful.